You need this book. If you run any type of business, whether it's online or offline, this book right here is insanely packed, full of trade secrets and ways for you to increase sales. It literally says how to get as many clients as you can possibly handle. That is not an exaggeration. This book is 100% legit. Now, it's by Sabri, who I'm sure you've seen on YouTube and everywhere else. He is an insane advertising guru when it comes to Facebook, Instagram, Google, all of it. But what's great about this book, it's not only just a book that you read, he also gives examples of great Google ads, Google listings, and actual ad copy on Facebook ads that you could copy. Just change it so that it applies to your business. 100% recommend this book for anyone in any type of business to help them increase sales. It's amazing.